Today is graduation rehearsal day and it's 8:20 a.m. I've got to be at the school at 9. Today's shoes are these New Balances from Dick's Sporting Goods. They are so comfy. And that's probably why it is so sunny. Can you guys see this? Look at how sunny. I'm going to add more water to my Yeti cup. Every day I've been trying to drink 3 full cups of this Yeti. And so far I have been able to do it the past like 4 days. Like I said this morning, I have my graduation rehearsal today. Tomorrow is my actual graduation as well as my grad party. And yeah, I guess they wanted us here at 9 a.m. to do like a practice run of it. So I'm here, I made it. I feel like I have so much to catch you guys up on. So I think I'm just gonna start it out. I'm pretty sure this runs until like 11, I want to say, and after this I have some work to do back at home. My school is doing a creek day thing for like the seniors where you like go down by the creek. I'm not going to be able to do that just because I have so much work to do. I've already put aside so much during the school year, a lot of my time for work to do school and go to these school events that were mandatory, but this creek day isn't mandatory, so I'm not gonna go. Also, you have to wear a one piece and I don't own a one piece. And then after that I'm going to go to the Blanton Museum with my boyfriend today. That feels so weird to say on camera. There's a lot that has happened. I think you guys should know, you probably already know, but I have a boyfriend now. I'm going to answer a lot of questions in an upcoming Q&A, but I'll just answer one straight off the bat for you. This is somebody that I'm planning on doing long distance with, and we've already talked about it. Yeah, he makes me very, very happy, and we always love little fun adventures. So today we are gonna go to the Blanton Museum, downtown Austin, look at some art. Then after that, I'm not sure what time we're going down there, but then after that I have to go to Gracie's graduation party, which starts at 6, and then my friend Brooke's graduation party starts at 8. So today is gonna be a packed day. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really want to go into this school right now because they literally gave me community service on my last day of school. So yeah, sore subject, but it's okay. I'm almost done. Graduation is almost here. And then I'm out. There's this podcast that I've been listening to called, oh well actually first off, look at how cute this Caseify case is. Thank you Caseify for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I just mentioned in the clip that you just saw how much I love this case. I customized my own phone case to say sea slime, and if you want to customize your own phone case, you can too. I've been working with Caseify for as long as I can remember, and you guys, I literally only wear their cases because they have drop protection, there's endless print options, and they're just so in style. Caseify's Chi-Tech 2.0 technology is drop test approved for drops up to 9.8 feet high. I'm a super clumsy person. My whole family is too. They all love Caseify, not only for their military grade proof protection, but also because Caseify's new impact and ultra impact cases are made of up to 65% of recycled material and plant-based material. So besides this new case, I got 3 other ones. I'm gonna show you them. So I also customized this case. It says Manning on it. And it's super cute on the background of my phone. One of my favorite things about Caseify is it has these bumpers on the corners. So this is that Chi-Tech 2.0 technology that I'm talking about. So it absorbs impact and never cracks your phone. So this is the Ultra Impact case. I also have the Ultra Impact case on my phone currently. So this is an example of the Impact case. First off, how cute is this? It's like the prettiest sunset on a phone case. This Impact case is slimmer and doesn't have those 4 corner bumpers. And this case is drop proof to up to 6.6 feet. This last case I want to show y'all is so cute. It says, do you have oat milk? Because I literally only drink oat milk with my matcha. This case is actually made from bamboo based material and it is 100% compostable. This case has bumpers on it as well, but the slim design makes it up to 6.6 feet drop proof. I cannot recommend this enough. Caseify has literally saved my phone so many times. I remember when I was younger, I would always end up at those little shops in the mall where you would have to get your screen fixed because mine was just shattered. Haven't had to deal with a shattered phone in like 6 years, so I owe it all to Caseify. And not only are they protected, but they're so cute. There is such a variety of designs, and then of course you can customize your own, which is so cool because you get to choose what you want on it. If you don't believe me about the military grade proof testing, I'm literally gonna drop my phone out here just for you guys. Got my sea slime case on. I'm going to move you guys over here. I'm gonna show you guys what the ground looks like. So the ground is this cobblestone. As you can see, this is the phone. There is no scratches, no cracks or anything. This has the over 9-foot drop. So I'm gonna stand on this bed thing right here. Ready, set, go. Oh, let's look at it. Any scratches, any cracks? Nope. Any scratches, any cracks? Nope. I'm telling you guys, this case is literally insane. You guys can use my code Caroline at checkout on Caseify.com to get yourself some really cute cases. All right, now back to the rest of the video. Are people even here? Wait, did this not start at 9? Oh my gosh, this starts at 9:30. Is this this literally starts at 9:30. Are you kidding me? Whatever, it's okay. This is just an excuse. See, this is bad because now I'm just gonna spend all my money and get coffee. Well, that's embarrassing. There's this podcast by, I think her name's Mimi Brochured. M-I-M-I, that's the name, Mimi. But the name of the podcast is just called Mimi. The episode that I'm on right now is number 291, and it's Let's Talk Gut Health and Entrepreneurship with founder. It's like says the founder's name that she's talking about. And literally, you guys, this podcast is so good. I feel like it's so underground, like nobody even knows about her, but more people should know about her. I was a huge fan of like all the popular podcasts that everybody listens to, but I feel like a lot of them now are just so surface level, and I can really tell that Mimi is super passionate about what she's talking about. I've been listening to podcasts for a long time before they got big again. Just like how my taste in music has changed, my taste in podcasts have changed, and I think I am gravitating now towards more realistic things and like fulfilling podcasts. Why?
Because I'm not like really getting that much better. The biggest size brown sugar
Shaken espresso? That's what I'm getting.
Really?
Wait, let me see what I'm getting. I'm getting the...
Wait, have you gotten it before?
The iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso.
The thing is that, Caroline, just so you know, it really tastes like coffee.
No, I know, I've gotten it before.
Okay, just making sure.
Maybe I shouldn't get that. Should I try something else? I forget what that tasted like.
No, it's good.
Well, I'm about to pull up to the thing to order right now, so I'll call you, but you want the same drink as me, but in venti, and you want the unicorn cake pop.
Yes, mommy.
Okay.
Alright, I'll just have to get ready.
Alright. I'll see you at school.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Anytime.
Love you. Bye.
Bye. I've been drinking matchas and chais for literally the past year. Just because coffee sometimes doesn't sit right with me. Also, can we just point out that this is literally the Starbucks that I worked at the beginning of senior year? Such a crazy time. So I need to like branch out of my comfort zone because I literally only drink the same drinks. And so yeah, today I'm getting a brown sugar shaken espresso with oat milk. Thank you. Thank you so much. Does anybody else get like stressed whenever people hand them back cash and you just are like fumbling to put in your wallet? Cause same. Ooh. This tastes like fall. This literally tastes like fall. This is so good. I'm not a coffee person, but I can with this.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Are you Italian?
Grayson, come up here. You guys.
Yeah.
We have this senior checklist thing that we have to do where we check off everything. And so one of the things we have to do is clean out our locker. So I just did that. So what did we just do?
Graduation rehearsal was an absolute bleep me out show.
How was your coffee this morning?
So good, thank you.
Of course. So we just finished our graduation rehearsal. Yeah, let's pray this goes good tomorrow.
You need this much room space, feet space, girl?
You want me to go close?
No, I'm not even sitting there. I can't even move my leg.
Look,
hey.
Brendan, you gotta scoot your
Hey,
seats up.
Brendan, buddy. You scoot your chair a little bit?
Test and fit.
Brendan.
Yeah, girl, you got.
Not ready for that.
So basically we're racing. Gracie has 2 brothers. No, she has 3.
Huh?
We're racing Gracie's 2 brothers.
You do?
Hey, yo, Todd. I can't help myself when you're not around. You're all that I think about. Some wasted